Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of broth. Broth is a savory liquid made by simmering meat, fish, vegetables, or bones in water. It is commonly used as a base for soups, stews, sauces, and other dishes. Broth is known for its rich flavor and nutritional benefits. While store-bought broths are convenient, homemade broths can offer more control over ingredients and flavor. Homemade bone broth, in particular, allows you to extract maximum nutrients from the bones and create a gelatinous, nutrient-dense liquid. Here are some of the key health benefits of consuming broth. Broth, especially bone broth, is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, B vitamins, minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, amino acids, and collagen. These nutrients can contribute to overall health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into how broth, especially bone broth, supports joint health. One of the key components of bone broth is collagen, a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining joint health. Collagen provides structure and support to connective tissues, such as cartilage, ligaments, and tendons, which are vital for joint function and mobility. Bone broth also contains compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin, which are commonly used as supplements for joint health. These compounds are essential building blocks for cartilage and may help reduce joint pain and inflammation. What's more, bone broth contains amino acids like proline and glycine, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation in the joints can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, promoting better mobility and comfort. The gelatin in bone broth helps to lubricate joints, making movements smoother and more comfortable. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with conditions like osteoarthritis. Let's not forget about digestion. Broth is gentle on the digestive system and can be easily absorbed, making it an excellent option for individuals with digestive issues or those recovering from illness. If you ever find yourself with a sensitive stomach, broth can come to the rescue. Unlike heavy or greasy foods that might upset your digestion, broth is gentle and soothing. It's like a warm hug for your tummy, making it a perfect choice when you need something light and easy to digest. Feeling a bit bloated or uncomfortable? Sipping on some broth can offer relief. The warm liquid helps to relax your digestive muscles, easing discomfort and promoting better digestion. If you've been under the weather or dealing with digestive issues, broth can be your ally in recovery. The nourishing properties of broth help to replenish your body with essential nutrients and fluids, aiding in your healing process. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. The nutrients and amino acids found in broth, such as arginine, glutamine, and cysteine, can support the immune system and contribute to overall immune function. Let's talk about an incredible secret to healthy skin, luscious hair, and strong nails. It's all about the magic of broth. You might be surprised to know that broth, especially bone broth, can do wonders for your outer beauty. You've probably heard about collagen. It's like the building blocks of your skin, hair, and nails. Well, guess what? Broth, especially bone broth, is chock full of collagen. When you sip on that warm bowl of broth, you're giving your body a collagen boost that can help keep your skin looking plump and youthful. If you struggle with dry, flaky skin, broth can come to the rescue. The hydration from sipping on broth helps your skin stay moisturized, making it soft and supple. So, consider adding broth to your routine, especially during those cold, dry months. Who doesn't want shiny, gorgeous hair? Broth can help with that too. The proteins and nutrients in broth, like keratin and amino acids, contribute to healthier hair, reducing breakage, and enhancing that natural shine. Have you ever wished for stronger, less brittle nails? You guessed it, broth can help with that too. The collagen and nutrients in broth support nail growth and strength, making those nails ready to rock. For those pesky blemishes and breakouts, broth can be a hero. The amino acids in broth can help soothe inflammation and support clearer skin. Next time you're dealing with a breakout, consider turning to broth for some skin-loving support. Remember, healthy skin, hair, and nails aren't just about what you put on the outside. It's also about nourishing your body from within. Broth is like a beauty elixir, packed with nutrients that give you that glow from the inside out. So, Next time you're feeling chilly, under the weather, or simply craving something wholesome, reach for a bowl of one of these amazing broths. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Remember, the key to unlocking these benefits lies in using high-quality ingredients and simmering them slowly to extract all the goodness. Until next time, stay warm, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the goodness of broths. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.